that we all need to admit. Now, the second one is that if you have bad defenders, goalkeeper named Minya Magic Bia. The goalkeeping department of Asante Kotoko in recent times have been a major discussion. I'm telling you, as a matter of fact, if you've been watching Kotoko, we all have to come to a particular position and admit that's a goalkeeper and go. That's a sign now. Man, more than more from one. Goalkeeper don't mean anything. Yes, we must admit that. Kotoko against Brekum Chelsea, Danlad conceded 3 goals. Yes, the third goal you can blame him. Because Opia ball to her and Branton Baboshe. But over here, the first 2 goals are the question you ask yourself is that where was the defense to prevent the first ball from coming in? Cross, no? Where was the defense to prevent the cross from coming in? You both Danlad Ajet3 on Cotton bench. Then Kotoko played a game against Ediana at the Baba Sports Stadium. We saw the goal Kotoko concede Isaac Minta. The goalkeeper saved the ball. The defenders were caught ball watching. No me jina hwa. Any ball ne to atrem. And a game no Ediana share goal. Got fortune got Kobete. MA 2-1. And that share Kotoko game of boy against a great Olympisa. You will admit and accept that Asante Kotoko Mranti and I in a park in the summer. First goal, free header. 6 players in the penalty box, and I'm projecting the image. Me the image in it also. For you to watch the image and get a better understanding of what happened. 6 players in the Asante Kotoko penalty box. Sorry, I'm wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the first part before net to cross. And there is 3 in the central zone and about could actually. But the Olympics player in my closet me pinball to atrem. Pinball to atrem as early as the 70th minute. No organization, no coordination, no marking, poor positioning. Or pinball to atrem. Then the second goal, Freddy Kasari saved the initial one. But again, there was no player there to go in for the second ball after Asari saved the first ball and ball got on it. So the last 3 games Asante Kotoko they've considered 6 goals, which is an average of 2 goals. And everything shows that if you have a good goalkeeper, no matter how good your goalkeeper is, if your defenders are not up to the task and they are not defending well, the core duty is an act of defending. They are not there when your goalkeeper need them. No matter the brilliance of your goalkeeper, you find yourself in trouble. And that is what everything is pointing to. And then the air, and then the air course of the air, say, goalkeeper be a ding, say, Mranti any more the ball for my obebre, won't mean share. So enough of the goalkeeping issue because clearly the defenders are not living up to the task. Defenders cannot stop crosses. And crosses a bar. Defenders cannot head crosses away. Until every time strikers enya free header pim. Umbe pim your goalkeeper be save no. The defenders will not be at the right place at the right time. Both the second ball in the penalty box here, and this has been a problem from the beginning of the season. The beginning of the season, Kotoko Kadiogo, a free kick in a ball and a deflection, and the first game in the Ghana Premier League, go Asante Kotoko conceded was a cross, a free kick, free header, Kaleba Mankwa Pine, na ball in the net. And from then, that has been the problem. And no matter the defensive partnership, Yusuf Mubarak, Sharif Mohammed, Yusuf Mubarak, Maxwell Ajiman, Sharif Mohammed, Mohammed Alasa, Maxwell Ajiman, Andrew Sappo, Sharif Mohammed, Andrew Sappo, Yusuf Mubarak, Andrew Sappo, Mohammed Alasa, Yusuf Mubarak. No matter the partnership, crosses no you go so they say Kotoko. Free header. Reacting after say goalkeeper is safe. Picking the second ball in the penalty box is still a problem for Asante Kotoko. So we all need to admit and accept that no matter how good your goalkeeper is, if your defenders are not protecting him, they be a ball never turn it. And check this. Kotoko away matches, Frederick Asare da. We normally end the game praising the goalkeeper, saying that the goalkeeper is the hero of the day. What does that tell you? Kotoko matches are unanswerable. Goalkeeper won him down. Yes, he is part of the team. He is supposed to save the team. He is supposed to be there to save the balls from entering the net. But the question is, why is it that no matter the defensive partnership Kotoko put up, they are allowing more shots on the goalkeeper? Until we are not goalkeeper and the hero of the day. What is it? So we have to admit and accept, no matter how good your defense, your goalkeeper is, if you have a poor defense, you'll be exposed and you will concede. That is the second observation. And that's frankly speaking. You see, we need to take our time and talk about Kotoko's away performance. Time, Papa. Kotoko away time. We modern bono. Many are hunted. And they be a can of san, a can of the asset. You can hear the asset. Asante Kotoko about 15 away games. 15 away games. They've considered 17 goals, which is more than one. Webeka so the Ghana Premier League standard. So if you are conceding less, fine. But the bottom line, 15 away matches were conceded 17. And Kotoko we need 3 away games. 3 away games out of 15. So pen and paper na calculation. 3 away games. 2 control exams. Now we have 3 over 15 now. 20% fail. Control exams. Now we have 3 over 15 now. 20% fail. Don't forget. I don't normally want to brush away the performance of Kotoko in away games. But the bottom line is, one of the away games, so outside Babaya, 2 over 14. Together away matches, 3 over 15. Kimfesa, Samates, Midiama. Asa. Kotoko lose 7 matches away. 7 matches out of the 15 Kotoko lose. We laugh over this and but the inconsistency is killing the team. And if you want to win a league, I'm sorry. Diana Stars and they're the best away team, and they are on top of the Ghana Premier League. Go and watch the Ghana Premier League and look at the trend. If you are performing well in a way, what the Kakarasos will home, I'll bet you league. So last season, check Kotoko in away games. Wafa na Kotoko akwasheno. Diana na washeno. Midiama no washeno. Baby any Gold Stars no washeno. Brekum Chelsea no akobo draw. Haas no akobo draw. Bechem no akobo draw. Dreams no washeno. Yewi na story anything. Interlice. Sorry, Legon City is not Kotoko washeno. With those away performances, we not got the league, you know. And this season, Diana Stars were about 14 away games, were considered 12. We're winning 5 or 18 points from away games. He's on top of the Ghana Premier League. We have a terrible away performance. The away performance is terrible. Away modern bonnet. In the last 5 away games, Kotoko shed 3 goals. Last 5 away games, Kotoko shed 3 goals. 1, 2, 3. 3 goals in the last 5 away games. And we've considered 8. Anyhow, these statistics is just terrible. Last 5 away games that can decide the Obeji Ghana Premier League. Kotoko shed 3 goals and considered 8 in the last 5 away games. And in almost all the discussions, we are still praising our goalkeeper that he did well. What kind of defense are we having? What kind of strategy in the away matches might lead to these results? Can it be brave? Oh, hey, the Chelsea no lose. Legon City is not about draw. And then Olympics or pre-relegation. Last week, just this Sunday, Tamale Cities Eko Sugakope Kobol draw against Gate Olympics. They are battling for relegation. If you indeed want to win the Premier League and make your fans happy, you cannot tell me a neutral venue, which is not the original home venue of Great Olympics. No, I cannot show 2-0. No, Asamba. And then rough, no. People are not serious. And today, nobody can tell me about salaries because you're Demoka salaries. And nobody can tell me about those inconsistent. First point, we have to admit that the